Alright guys, well if you're back here for another video, I want to say thanks for watching. Today's food vlog is effectively brought to you by hot dogs. Whatever brand they are, I'm not sure, but here's what we got going. Two hot dogs right here. They're both over 2 weeks expired, so if I don't make it, guys, it was nice knowing you. Thanks for the support, and keep the channel growing while I'm dead. And anyways, got some barbecue chips here. These are Lay's, and with that being said, let's skip back another day or a few days, and we'll get into today's video. Here we go. So before we kick the vlog off, I had to stop at Dairy Queen and get some Dilly bars. They told me they were out after I paid for them, and then they're like, oh no, we got them. So getting a little bit of mixed signals, which I'm not happy with, but whatever. I got my Dilly bar, so in the end I'm happy. So they're not in a box or anything, but that's okay. I got my 12 Dilly bars, and if you're wondering, that's what 12 Dilly bars looks like. Alright, let's get this going. Alright guys, I got my Dilly bars. Keep watching the video. Caitlin, who took your top off?
Mate, it was me.
You're being silly. Put some clothes on, you pervert. Alright guys, so if you're wondering, I sit down on the Corvette. My Corvette is now a tripod. You're welcome. Most expensive tripod in the world. So basically I only have like a minute and a half footage for the video, so I wanted to talk a little bit about Dilly bars. I know someone, Rusty Zipper, doesn't know what Dilly bar is. I kind of explained it, but this is what basically you're getting. It's an ice cream bar covered in either chocolate, cherry, or butterscotch. I'm not sure if they have any other flavors. I know they just have those three. So basically, I'm going to talk about Dilly bars today because I don't really got anything else to work with. So basically, this isn't a paid sponsorship by Dairy Queen or McDonald's, so unfortunately. But basically, this is what we're working with here. So it's an ice cream bar on a stick. Vanilla ice cream inside, and then you got your coating on the outside, the cherry, the chocolate, or the butterscotch. Really good, overpriced, really good. Did I say that already? Anyways guys, definitely give them a try. I would highly suggest them. They're my favorite thing. It's the only kind of ice cream that I really eat besides milkshakes. So definitely give them a try. And with that being said, this video is over like 2 or 3 days. Actually, I think it's just yesterday and today. My videos are getting all mixed up right now, so I'm sorry about that, but definitely give them a try. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. As always, God bless. And if you're stopping by the first time, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Catch you in the next one. See ya. Sorry some of this video was in narrow mode. Although I must say it did look really good in narrow mode, except then you just have to like know what you're pointing the camera at or whatever. But I just want to say Tuesday Bible study has been like canceled for the next like 2 months or whatever, so I won't be going over to fam's house on Tuesdays anymore unless they actually make another Bible study on Tuesdays at their house, because my friend Lindsay was doing it. They all like live together or whatever. There's like 3 different people living there, so Lindsay is actually going to summer camp and going to visit her family in Ohio. So unless someone else at the house has a Bible study or makes a Bible study, no more Tuesday Bible study drives in the Corvette, so that's a little sad, and hopefully that starts up when she comes back. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Also, I'm going to be trying to work on like a intro video for like all my videos. I'm going to try to make it like 10 to 20 seconds. I know that's kind of long, but anywhere between 10 to 15 seconds would be really cool, so I'm going to try to work on that. But so expect to see that coming out in some of the future videos soon. Hopefully you guys like it. And on that note, this is some high quality stuff. I mean, look at that gap difference. Good stuff. Whirlpool, you're trash.